You know, there's only one thing worse than getting caught in your bathrobe, and that's getting caught in your wife's bathrobe. Today we're making breakfast. All right, so today we're going to make amazing French toast sticks plated with fresh strawberries, fresh blueberries, powdered sugar, a little bit of whipped cream if you want it. And the beauty of it is we don't have to use a single appliance because we picked them up at Burger King. That's right, Burger King's French toast sticks are vegan.
No way.
And my watch just made a noise. So when you normally make French toast, of course, you're using eggs, you're using dairy, you're using all these non-vegan ingredients. Burger King only uses chemicals. We're gonna make these today. We're gonna take these Burger King French toast sticks. We're gonna plate them with some fresh strawberries, fresh blueberries, some powdered sugar, some maple syrup, putting them on our plate. As you can tell, they're beautiful. You can actually, you can do Tetris, or you can build like a little Jenga.
Take a block from the bottom and you put it on top.
But however you want to plate these is up to you because they're your French toast sticks. So we get started with the French toast sticks. After that, we're gonna get our fresh fruit. And I'm using strawberries and blueberries, like I said. We're only using organic of course, because you wouldn't put non-organic fruit on French toast sticks from Burger King. So there's a little trick to get the greens, the stem and the green part out of a strawberry, and that's with a straw. And by the way, only ever use reusable straws. There's a war right now on plastic straws. So we push through from the back of the strawberry and out pops. Look at that. Isn't that great? So there it is. You have a little tiny strawberry telescope. Oh, I can see the moon. Now we're gonna take these strawberries, and just for plating, we're going to cut them. Plate those over here. Just like that. And then we take our blueberries, fresh blueberries, put those on the plate. Look at this, it's like a gourmet restaurant. What's great about living in New York State is you've got easy access to amazing maple syrup. So we're gonna pour this on top of the French toast sticks before the powdered sugar. That's awesome, look at that, oh my gosh. A little bit of powdered sugar. Can you believe that's from Burger King? Now, vegans everywhere are having more fun in the bedroom than they've ever had before, thanks to Reddi-wip. They've now come out with vegan whipped cream, tastes just like the original, available in almond milk. I think there's a coconut version of it. This is so good. I'm gonna put this on top because obviously there's not enough sugar on this yet. Top the whole thing off with a blueberry, and boom, there you go. French toast sticks for breakfast, for brunch. Easy to make and delicious. Thanks for tuning in for this breakfast episode for French toast sticks, and make sure you comment, like, and subscribe.